We'll guide you through how to convert text into voice in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to quickly learn how to turn text into voice without using complex software. It helps content creators make videos more engaging, especially for social media and tutorials. Canva simplifies the process, so beginners look for clear guidance to create voiceovers easily and improve the quality of their visual content. To begin this tutorial, open a browser. For example, I use Google Chrome. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop. After that, click the search bar, type canva.com, and press enter. Make sure you are already logged in so you are on the home page. Click videos from the available options. Then select YouTube video to get the design size. You can use the Uploads feature to add a background video from your computer if you already have one prepared. However, here just use the Elements menu for a quicker option. Then click Video and choose an available video from the library. Select one video to use as the background and place it onto the canvas. Close the video panel, then click the text menu on the left side. Add a text box, then type how to convert text into voice in Canva as your main content. Position the text clearly so it is easy to read on top of the background video. Next, click Magic Write, and then select Generate AI Voice from the available options. Make sure the text is correct before proceeding to avoid errors in the voice output. You can adjust the language. Here I use English for the narration. Then you can play the voice for each character to preview how it sounds. Listen carefully to find the most suitable voice for your project style. I choose Lisa, then click Generate AI Voice to create the audio. After that, you can adjust the position of the generated voice on the timeline so it matches the video. Make sure the timing is aligned properly with the visual content. You can also preview the result multiple times to ensure everything works smoothly. Close the panel, then click play to see the result and confirm that the text-to-voice conversion works as expected in your Canva project.